Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So where am I? I'm actually in Blackfriars Tube Station on one end of Blackfriars Bridge. We've got the District and Circle lines there. Now it does say National Rail, but there's an interesting point in this station because it's over the bridge. All will become clear when we start walking. So let's head outside. So we've just left Blackfriars Tube Station and we're going to head over Blackfriars Bridge. Another cold evening in London, dry but cold. Looking over there at the sea containers, that's a hotel. Got with all the blue lights on, and you see the writing at the top. You can see now that says sea containers, and that's next to the Oxo Tower. And you can just see in the distance there the Millennium Wheel that a few days ago was the centrepiece of the New Year's Eve fireworks. Beautifully lit up, as you can see, in blue. But we're walking over Blackfriars Bridge. That, believe it or not, is the newer bridge. And the older bridge, they took the bridge down but left the piers. So you can see the red piers here. They were from the old bridge. So obviously the guy that had the contract said, "Oh mate, I just take the bridge down, not piers." I'm sure it wasn't like that, but that's the way I like to think about it. A few interesting things this evening. It's January and there is the Wolf Moon. And next to it, that bright light you can see is actually Jupiter. Not the one below it, that's an aeroplane, but the one quite close, that's Jupiter. So that's quite interesting, that's why it's so bright out. We're looking now at the Shard with the green pointy roof on. And the colours, they will all change. They've had Christmas tree colours on for the last few days. I wonder if they'll come back to that. And on the bridge here is the Blackfriars train station. So where we were down below, you went to the tube and there were some steps and an escalator to go up. You can see a train coming in there. You can get trains here to Brighton and the like, and north up to St Albans. There you go. You see the Shard's changed now to be its Christmas tree. So yeah, this is the train station that's on the bridge. Quite fascinating really. And if we look to our left, you can see St Paul's and the City of London poking out the top here. But let's go a bit further. And you may well be able to see, if we come a bit further, the top of the bridge, just when we let this. It's an ambulance going by. But the top of the bridge was run over by Tom Cruise in one of the Mission Impossible films. He came from the office bloke over that side, ran across the roof. I can't remember which Mission Impossible film it was, but he ran across with the backdrop of St Paul's and the city behind him. So there you go. There's a useless fact. We're going to walk down here to cross over Blackfriars to Bankside. Realistically, we've got Bankside on our left, and on our right we'd be heading to the South Bank and the theatre. But we'll carry on over this bridge. And if we go, actually, we'll go to the end, and underneath, if you hang on to the end of the video, you'll see some of the mosaics underneath as to how they actually built it. Busy evening here in London. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Early January. As I say, it's cold, but at least it's dry. And there we go, there's a train leaving southbound. So that's probably going to Wimbledon or to Brighton, anywhere south of the city. Look at that on top of the old pylons of the bridge. The London, Chatham and Dover Railway. There you go. That shows where the trains go down to. Well, I don't think they'd go to Dover from here. That I might be wrong. They definitely go down to Brighton. Right, let's go down onto Bankside. Take care coming down these steps. I can imagine they're slippy in the winter. But here you go, Blackfriars Bridge, opened in 1869. There we go. Look at that. That's Queen Victoria coming over the bridge. We started at this end. That's where the tube station was, and we walked all the way across. So it was opened on the 13th of November 1869. I know you can see the pylons here, the London, Chatham and Dover Railway Station at Blackfriars. And those are the pylons we saw in the river, the red ones that are still there. And then if you want to see how they built it, let's go on this one. Look at that there.
So there we go.
So let's turn right. We're going under Blackfriars. This is obviously a building that's being put up, but here's Blackfriars Station, and here you go, here's a departure board: St Albans, Bedford, Sutton, Royston, Horsham, St Albans City and Brighton via Gatwick Airport. And here you go, National Rail Services. If you want the tube and the underground, take the station exit and walk back where we started from. Blackfriars Bridge for the underground. There we go. Thank you.